Winter is here. What am I going to work on today? Let's talk interiors. So when I'm talking about interiors, there's like about 100 different locations that you'd have to clean off when you're cleaning the interior of a car. But we're going to try to simplify this and look at 3 different areas that are most commonly the dirtiest of areas and the different products that you're going to use in those specific areas. So one of the areas would be hard plastics, like at the doors. That's typically where people use their feet to open up the door and push it open. It gets dirty every time you get in and out. The sills, the door sills always tend to get dirty. And in those areas, I typically only use an all-purpose cleaner and a microfiber towel. So something as simple as an all-purpose cleaner, and I typically mix that 50-50 with water because a full 100% all-purpose cleaner is typically too strong and it leaves a little bit of a residual in my experience. So I'll mix it 50-50 with water. This happens to be the Meguiar's all-purpose cleaner. And I'll put a link for all the products that I'm using down below in the description box so that you can just watch this and then click on that later on. But this is really simple. Using just an all-purpose cleaner from Meguiar's 50-50 with water and a microfiber towel to kind of like remove the dirt on the surface. Sometimes you'll have to use a bristle brush to kind of get into the grooves and the little areas in here like the speakers and all that kind of stuff. But typically there isn't a lot of dirt in those areas, so you'll just be able to use a microfiber towel. The second most problematic area would be light beige, white, or just light in general leather, or even like vegan leather. There's always dye transfer. I don't know if you can see this on here in this video, but there's a dye from blue jeans that always gets on the bolster of the leather seating. And the only way to get rid of that is by using a leather cleaner. So you have to use a bristle brush. What I use is the Gyeon bristle brush and their leather interior cleaner. This is mild. They have a strong version of this also. But this, along with the bristle brush, will remove this. It may take a couple passes, but it is mild. So you might have to try it a couple different times, but a majority of it's gone. And now the interior surfaces like the infotainment screen, black piano type surfaces like this, the black piano trim that always seems to get dirty. It gets fingerprints on it, smudges. I don't know why car manufacturers use it, but it's just always there because it looks good when it's clean. But it always gets dirty, and it's something to take care of all the time. Now, the best interior cleaner, or detailer I should say, is Gyeon Interior Detailer. This stuff is incredible. It smells good. It works really well. It's alcohol based. It's 60% alcohol and some surfactants and some odds and ends that are in it. Very mild. Just enough to basically do some maintenance, interior detailing, clean off the surfaces, get everything clean. And this stuff really works well. But more importantly, it's in combination with the Griots low nap microfiber towel, and this stuff is incredible. It's the combination of the Gyeon and this Griots towel that it's the bomb. It's unbelievable. It works really well. It doesn't leave any lint. It's very safe for all infotainment screens. Any delicate surfaces that you might have inside the car, but this stuff works perfectly. So you can see a little bit of a before. I'm sure you're picking up on all the fingerprints and the dust and everything else that's on here. If it was sunny outside, I'd take you outside and show you the dust is actually a little bit more noticeable under the sunlight. Well, let's do a little bit of cleaning. This stuff flashes off so quickly because it's 60% alcohol, so of course it's going to flash off very, very fast. Use the dry side of the towel to kind of like do a once over after you're done with the area. And you can see right away what a difference. No smudging. All the fingerprints are gone. The piano black looks perfectly clean again. Yeah, this stuff is great. Gyeon Interior Detailer. And there's a difference between detailing, interior detailers, and cleaners. Cleaners have more of a surfactant. The detailers are really quick, really mild, and really for maintenance. So this combination with this rag, thumbs up. Excellent stuff. Good job. Oh my god, that stuff smells so good. Hey, if you like this content, please subscribe, like this video, and watch this next video about Adam's tire cleaner. This stuff is incredible, it works really well. Click on that video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.